just received the IPSY Glam Bag Plus for May 2023. Super excited. Like, brands that we're getting in these boxes are just insane. I'm so happy. I think we're doing really good. Let's go ahead and get started. By the way, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jenz BeautyStyle. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. First item we have here is this. This is by Aveda. Super excited. This is a nice brand, like for hair care. The art and science of pure flower and plant essences. Pure abundance style prep infuses hair with all-day weightless volume. So I love that. I have very fine thin hair, so anything that adds volume to my hair without weighing it down, making it feel sticky, that's what I'm looking for. Definitely want to give this a try. I don't know if you're interested in seeing this. I don't really care for these things because you get no product information. So it just says let yourself bloom and ahead of the pack. So here you go. That's your little pamphlet. This is by Toy Factory. Toy Factory Dream Set one. Like, for some reason I'm thinking, have I heard of Toy Factory? I'm not sure. This is a highlighter serum palette and built-in mirror with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide. So these are the colors here. This is the palette. How cute. I can't say I'm like dying for this because of the shades of the highlights. You can wear it as eyeshadow if you don't see yourself putting these colors as highlight. Do get the mirror. It just has a film right here. Nice size. It does feel like heavy. You know, I do review the products that I get here. If I don't do makeup shorts, if I find it really interesting, I'll make a full video on it. So definitely leave me in the comments what you would like. Don't know how much it's worth because you don't get the product information. But one thing I'll tell you is that you definitely get your money's worth in these boxes just because of the brands. Now, if you don't like the products, then of course, doesn't matter the brands. It's not going to be worth it. But here's a product that I love. Well, not specifically this, but the item is something that I use a lot. This is Lovecraft Beauty Dark Dimensional Dual Liquid Liner. You know, I'm excited for this. I'm totally a liquid liner girl, so I believe I picked this. I don't know if I've heard that brand, Lovecraft Beauty. I don't think so. Here's one end, and here's your other end. So as you see, this one here is much thicker than this one. Usually when it says dual-ended, one is like a pencil, the other one is liquid, but these are both liquid. So I'm gonna try this out, one on each side, and see what's the difference. But excited. I go through liquid liners a lot, so I would love to receive one in each box. I'm also waiting for the IPSY Glam bag, so that should be arriving soon, I'm hoping. Next we have a palette. Great brand, iconic London. I'm sure this palette alone was worth like the box and more. So great way to try new makeup. I'm telling you, you can't lose. So this is the iconic London Beachside Babe eyeshadow palette. This brings 12 shades. I love the combination here. Look at this dark and then like these two together, even like so many different combinations you can use for like every day. And then you also have your pops of colors. Yes, it is beachy, so great name for this palette. Really nice, really nice. I'll definitely be making some looks. I have this here. Just look at this. I picked this. This is the Fenty Beauty Bomb Pose Mega Mix and Match eyeshadow palette. This alone is like much more than this box is worth, believe it. Here is the palette. So pretty. I have the Snap Shadows, I believe number 2 and number 6. Just the design is exactly the same. This is the back. This is open it up. When I saw Fenty Beauty, I'm like, how am I not gonna have that as one of my picks? So these are the shades. So pretty. Pinks, purple. Oh, I just love it. Beautiful for every day. Can't wait. I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this one. Hope the colors show up nicely. I'm very excited for this. Very, very excited. I think is what I'm most excited about. Well, both eyeshadow palettes and the liquid liner. I hope you receive your box very soon, and you do, let me know if you like it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.